Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they're available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see these products and these cleaning and organizing hacks we've got in this video. This is an organizer you can use for your shoes. This is a cleaner you can use for the floor. This is another one. It's a small one you can use for window corners in sofa corners. It's really helpful. This is a box for wipes. This is a small folding washing machine. You can use it anywhere at home. It's really convenient. This is a small coffee table. This is a box where you can put your makeup stuff. This is an armchair. It's really cool. This is an organizer you can use for accessories. This is a juicer you can use for making different types of juice. This is an electric cooker. This is a dispenser you can use for cereals. You've got this one you can use for your sandals in the bathroom. These are floor mats. This is a shelf or box you can use for wipes. This is an electric tool you can use for killing insects. And this is an electric file you can use for your feet. This is a sponge you can use for cleaning your stuff. This is another electric cleaner. It's really helpful. And this is a tool you can use for